you're making graveyard crosses with cardboard, wooden dowels, hot glue, then you'll need maybe a staple gun and a few screws. As you can see here, I've made my crosses, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare these to get painted. Alright, so I have some interior latex paint here. I'm going to go ahead and lay down a base coat. Now this is my contrasting paint color, and I'm going to go ahead and paint the whole cross with that. Alright, now it's done. I just need to let the paint dry. Now this is another type of cross, and I'm just going to add some paint to that, and I'll let you see it later. So here is this tint color I was speaking of, and it's for the contrasting part as well, adding a little bit of a hue during the detail painting process. This is just another layer of the base coat here for lightening. Now the amount for this coat is up to you entirely how you want to do it. And to break it up some more, I just went out and grabbed the black spray paint can and was spraying in different areas, different lengths. Now that dried, I am putting on my final coat. This is a good darker color for contrasting some more, and I wanted to give it that look to be like a older, darker wood. Now if you notice throughout the video, the way I'm painting with the paint brushes, I'm doing this very lightly so that way I can keep good detail on this paint job as it contrasts with the highlighted paint that's on here. And here are those other crosses. I just added a little paint to it and it turned out really good. Now the paint is still wet, but I'll show it to you in the sunlight what it looks like. And I'm happy with the results, the way it turned out. It looks great. It's going to be awesome in that graveyard. And here's a closer look at the finished product. Well, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, smash that like button and like and subscribe. Thank you very much.